Well, we've been tracking our next big story for years. A concrete median barrier aimed at reducing head-on crashes is now in place on the Newport Pell Bridge.
And new at 6:30, Eyewitness News reporter Kelly Sullivan shows us how engineers made sure the bridge could support all that extra weight.
Officials estimated it would take about 12 weeks to install the permanent median barriers. Instead, it took about half the amount of time without ever having to completely close off the bridge to drivers. A plan that's been in the works for more than a decade finally becomes a reality. Permanent median barriers on the Newport Pell Bridge are now in place, a month ahead of schedule.
It's about a month early. The original project was supposed to be completed the 21st of May, and we're fortunate we finished about a month earlier.
The barriers also representing relief for those pushing for safety measures, especially after a fatal head-on collision in 2011. By installing these median barriers, it will help prevent future crossover accidents. The design also allows the blocks to give when impacted by a motor vehicle and lessens the chance for it to be deflected back into traffic. But before they could be installed, several studies needed to be done to make sure the bridge could support the weight of the new addition.
It adds approximately 5.2 million pounds to the bridge.
But the Rhode Island Turnpike and Bridge Authority assures after several studies and a strengthening plan, the bridge can handle the new barrier system.
Based on all of the engineering studies we had done prior to, it's certainly the bridges should be able to support that weight. We have every hope and expectation that it does.
To inform drivers about lane restrictions during construction, the Rhode Island Turnpike and Bridge Authority informed them using Twitter and Facebook to get the message out. The entire project stayed on budget. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Kelly Sullivan, Eyewitness News.